In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the choice and choices functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Let's learn how to use functions by doing a few examples. First, I import the necessary libraries. I am creating a list with members of type string. I'm adding for members to the list. I send the list to the choice function. The choice function selected a random member from the list. A different member is determined each time the program runs. Now I add the choices function. In this example, the choice and choices functions basically do the same task. Returns a random member. But the choices function returns a list. This is one of the differences. I can make two functions similar by accessing the first member of the list. This is not the only difference between them. Another difference is that I can determine the number of members to be randomly selected by sending the k value to the choices function. For example, I want 2 members to be chosen randomly. Note also that no 2 members can be the same. I assign the value for to the k variable. Every time the code runs, for different members are shown on the screen in random order. Let's do a different example. I can adjust the selection rate of members. I am creating a tuple. I will send for different values to the tuple. The sum of the values will be 1. Chances of being selected are Alice 15%, Sarah 20%, Schofield 35%, Abruzzi 30%. I send the variable to the choices function. In this case, the member most likely to be elected is Schofield. I try several times. By changing the ratios, we can better understand how the weights feature works. In this example, I set the Abruzzi member's chance of being elected to 97%. In this case, we will most likely see the Abruzzi member on the console every time the code runs. I try several times. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the choice and choices functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.